this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this shaker card using the Rain or Shine suite. Here is my fun shaker card using the Playing in the Rain bundle that is part of the Rain or Shine suite. You can find them in the mini catalog on page 50 for the samples and 51 for the suite. It includes the Rain or Shine. It includes the Rain or Shine Designer Series bundle. One side has embossing on it, and the dies cut out these cute little bunnies and foxes and turtles. And then we've got raindrops and other cute little critters, more rain and umbrellas. So super cute paper. Of course, we have the bundle, and that has all the dies to cut out all the images along with a bridge, and then 3 pieces to make a kite, or these could be bow ties for these little animals, as well as a stump and some grass. The last 2 items are super fun too. We have the loose daisies that I'm going to use in this shaker card, and the raindrops embossing folder. So here's the raindrops embossing folder, and here is what it looks like when the cardstock is embossed. So really, really cute embossing folder. Okay, so for this card, I started off with a regular basic white thick cardstock base. So it is 8.5 by 5.5, scored at 4 1/4 and folded in half, which is 5 inches wide by 3 3/4 inches tall. And then I have used the largest stitched rectangle die and the 3rd largest to create this frame. And this is what is going to hold our shaker card together. And then this is also 5 by 3 1/4 that we're going to add to the back here. Now I'm going to use the foam adhesive strips to create the area for the card. And the more whole pieces you can use, the better. Okay, now that's ready to go. So I'm just going to set that aside, and I'm going to get the card base ready. I've cut out this paper because it has the pretty flowers and the sky together, so I think that works really well. I have stamped and die cut some of the flowers that I'm going to put on dimensionals and add them to the inside. So I'm gonna place them about here and about there. And now it's time for adding our loose daisies. So I'm just gonna put a bunch in there. So fun. Okay, and I'm just gonna spread them out so they're not too thick. And now I can take this and remove all the backing. Make sure that's sealed down really well, and so fun. Now they move all around. So now I can add my last elements. I have Mr. Turtle here that I cut out from the Designer Series paper. And I also have some clouds and some grass. And there is my Rain or Shine shaker card. Get my card kit for free when you place a $50 order or purchase this bundle using my current host code. I've got 2 of the rainy day cards, 2 peekaboo cards, and 2 shaker cards. Just email me and let me know that you would like this kit, and I will send it right out to you.